From American Reunion, please welcome a couple of joysticks, Jason Biggs and Sean William Scott.
We are so stoked to be announcing the winner of this year's Gamer God Award.
This year's award goes to a company who is solely responsible for thousands of hours I have spent fighting dragons and hunting for gold. On my computer, I mean, of course.
Yes.
Not for real.
Boom! These are the guys who brought you Diablo, StarCraft, and a little game you might have heard called World of Warcraft.
Doesn't ring a bell. Without a doubt, Blizzard has left its mark on the pop culture landscape.
And Diablo changed the landscape of my bathroom after I camped out there for a week playing it.
That's disgusting. These aren't games you beat, these are games you play for the rest of your life.
So please bow for this year's Gamer God, the one, the only, Blizzard Entertainment.
Here to accept our Blizzard co-founders, Mike Morheim, Frank Pierce, and Alan Adam.
Thank you so much. We're very humbled and honored to be selected to receive this award. You know, I was thinking back to the first day when we started Blizzard, and Frank Allen and I spent the day building our desks and looking forward to the future. And there's just such a big leap between that day and standing here receiving this award. I'm going to make this brief because I know what happens. So I want to say thank you to all of our players out there, because we could not do what we do without you. Thank you so much for all your support. And I want to say thank you to our more than 4,600 passionate, talented employees at Blizzard Entertainment, because you guys are awesome, and this is your reward. So keep up the great work. Thank you very much. And before we go, we've got a special treat, because I'm very proud to introduce the introductory cinematic for Diablo III.
World premiere.
And at the end of days, the first sign shall appear in the heavens. Justice shall fall upon the world of men. The armies of light and shadow will clash across the fields of eternity. Leah, are you all right, my girl?
It was nothing, Uncle. Just a bad dream. We should be getting you home.
But there's still work to be done. If these translations are correct, the powers of hell could already be on the move. The world must be told of the coming darkness. You do believe me, don't you, Leah? It has begun.
Leave it, Uncle. It's not important.